Hey guys, welcome to Cooking and Caking. Today we're gonna make
pizza.
Yeah, so we're just experimenting really. This is the first pizza the boys ever made. They're on spring break. So we just got some ingredients. We got just a basic crust, got a 2-pack.
Macaroni.
What's this, yo?
Pepperoni, turkey pepperoni.
This one's actually turkey pepperoni.
And then we're making pizza.
We got some mozzarella cheese.
Ham.
Ham. Got some
Pineapple.
This is frozen, so we're gonna see how it works, you know. Some olive oil for the crust, and then of course the sauce.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, for spoons.
We got some spoons for the sauce. Yeah. So hey guys, remember you guys have to share this, okay? So you have to share half the cheese, half the sauce. You get one crust. What kind do y'all want to make?
I'm making a pepperoni pizza. Jason's making Hawaiian.
Hawaiian? Okay, James, you make Hawaiian.
Good.
You don't have to make the whole thing Hawaiian. You can do half pepperoni. All right. So first thing, what'd y'all say? Sauce?
Sauce?
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put about half the sauce on James's. Half on Jason's. Half on James. Okay. So now what are you doing, James?
My spoon. We're gonna rub it in.
Yeah. Hold the spoon upside down, right?
Like this?
Yeah. No. Upside down like that.
Like that.
Yeah, and do what he does, James. You don't make it fall off the pizza. Look, see this right here? This is the crust. So leave this without sauce. Just put inside here. Watch your sleep. So we preheated the oven to 425. Hey lady, what you doing? You got milk? Yeah, now it says drop this. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys.
Jason's doing good. He's not even getting most of it on the crust. Mine's perfect, but Jason's better.
Good job, James. Come on, let's get it all even there. Wait, don't skip it all. You want to make everything kind of covered, right?
Yeah.
So that there's sauce everywhere. Ooh, that's a big tomato in there.
Tomato.
Okay. Put it down.
Okay, guys.
Now what do we need?
Cheese. Cheese.
Okay, cheese, right?
Can I do it?
You want to put some, there's a lot of pepperoni. You want to put some pepperoni underneath it maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah? We can do pepperoni, then cheese, and then more pepperoni on top. So like a double-decker pepperoni.
Yeah. I want to do it.
No, but you're gonna do the pineapple and ham.
Pineapple.
Okay, well this is what we're gonna do. You're just gonna be half pineapple and ham and half pepperoni, okay? So, look Jace, imagine that there's a line that cuts it in half. Only put the pepperoni on one side, okay?
It's like a fraction. Which one of the fraction is? Where?
Only on one half.
Where?
Go, look, put it all on just one half of there.
Why get sticker fry on one?
No, these are already cooked. I think they are.
They are. It tastes good.
Yep, ready to eat.
I'm not done with mine. So I can put it all over the pizza?
You can. Just only put it on half. Okay. Now look. Put everything on this half over here. Leave this half, okay? Over here. Put all
A
that.
little bit more. Just for space. Like that.
Okay.
5 more pieces. This much.
Yeah, don't forget, James. So we're gonna put it on top too. This is just a layer underneath. A couple of okay. Okay. Now I gotta do half the cheese. Couldn't half for myself.
It's fun on me. This is a good pizza. I'm doing good. I can't stand these peppers. I'm done. I'm done, Daddy.
You done? Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and put cheese on all of it.
That looks good. Okay, that's good.
No.
It looks good.
Yeah, we need more cheese in this.
Oh, that's better. Yeah, that's some good cheese.
Mm, this is cracking.
Cracking?
Mm-hmm.
Don't touch my cheese.
Mm.
That's when I one type of cheese on piece on this right side is gonna have cheese.
Mm-hmm. Okay, start with Mr. Jace over here.
Why is that not mine?
It is. I'm gonna use the rest of this first.
I like cheese on my thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like cheese. Next time, I want to do that by myself, Daddy.
Yeah, if you're older, maybe.
Like me? Can you have one of him? Daddy
I'll
can.
let you do it.
Daddy can do it. I want to do it later, Daddy. Okay. I want to do it later so I can. These things are amazing. Daddy, you go out making that. He's super good. Mmm.
Okay, what is it over here?
Yeah.
Or all of it, okay.
Okay. You're glad that I did that. Let me on my cheese.
Don't eat all. Oh, you're eating off the table?
Yeah.
Right, here, James, let me do it. Yeah, good job. You're having fun eating it. Alright, James, you can go ahead. Since you're doing pepperoni, you can go ahead and...
Some more pepperoni on it.
Yeah.
Can I put some like a double layer?
Mhm.
And then I'm gonna put some more pepperoni on my Daddy, right?
Yeah, but you're only gonna do it on one
On the
half.
side. It's like an equation. I like the equation where it's only one time. Daddy, he's put cheese on it. Oh no, so half of this is for you. I'm not gonna leave out. Or nope. Like that side. Daddy, you do that? Yeah, there we go. No, right
Yeah,
here.
and then do the rest of that side.
There we go. I'm done that. I want to have.
Put some more. Did you use it all? That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it?
No, that's not
Where is
it.
it, James?
There's more. I'm not just doing that much.
Yeah, because you have to get pepperoni all that out.
That one half? Nope. This is one half. Let's get those pieces.
Don't put them, if they're on the floor, don't pick them up. Don't eat them.
Yeah, please.
So we don't have real,
I'm gonna take one out of this bag.
we don't have Canadian bacon, so we're just gonna use ham.
I have a lot more macaroni. I have macaroni. I'm gonna eat the rest of these pepperonis.
No, man. Come on, pizza.
Macaroni.
Only one.
Stay right here. I'll get it. Who is that? Hey, I'm making pizza by myself. Like our pizza?
Oh, you're making pizza?
Uh-huh.
Ooh, look at that. That looks good, boys.
I know. Look at it, Mommy. Look how good it turned
James
out.
said it looks like it came out of a box. James. Looks like it came out of a box?
Mm-hmm.
Did James know?
Yes.
Are you hungry? Let's get some pizza.
Yes, yours looks good too.
Wait.
Oh, do that again?
I need a ball.
Oh yeah, that does look good.